In today's video, I am going to teach you how to Interregate Pipedrive with Zoom. To begin, sign into your Pipedrive account using an admin profile. This is important because the integration setup requires administrative access in order to install apps and approve permissions. Once you are inside your Pipedrive workspace, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. There you will find the Marketplace icon, which looks like a shopping bag. Click on that icon to open the Pipedrive Marketplace. When the Marketplace page loads, go to the search bar and type in Zoom. This will help you quickly find the correct integration. In the search results, click on the official Zoom app card. Make sure you are selecting the official app so that you are connecting through the supported integration provided in the Marketplace. After opening the app page, click the Install Now button. This starts the connection process between Pipedrive and Zoom. At this point, a new browser window will open. In that window, you will be asked to review the data permissions required for the app to work properly. These permissions allow the integration to connect both platforms and support meeting-related features. Read through the request, then click Allow and Install to continue. Next, you will be redirected to the secure Zoom sign-in screen. Here, enter your Zoom login details or sign in using Google or SAML if that is how your Zoom account is managed. Use the option that matches your normal Zoom access method so the setup continues without issues. Once you are signed in, Zoom will display another permission screen. This page explains what access Pipedrive needs in order to create and manage meetings inside your Zoom account. Review those permissions carefully so you understand what the integration will be able to do. When you are ready, click Allow to approve the connection. After that, the integration process is complete, and Pipedrive will be connected with Zoom. This setup makes it easier to manage meetings directly within your workflow and keeps your scheduling more centralized between the two platforms. That covers everything you need to know.